Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to use Zotero and Mendeley softwares. Many researchers, scholars in the world use these tools. Zotero and Mendeley are free and open source reference management softwares to manage bibliographic data and related research materials. There are many tools, but as these tools are free and open source, these tools are widely used. So first, open Zotero website, where as you can see, you can download the Zotero desktop version. You can create online account to use all features of Zotero tool. Here we will focus on how to put all references in one place. After downloaded, install it and open the software. We will see how to add references to Zotero. I am already using Zotero, so it is already installed. So I opened it directly. Here you see my library with different folders for your research and documents. Here on the right side you can see relevant information of references that Zotero gather about the document automatically. From here it is very easy to handle all references. Here book, document, journal type or related document we can insert. And on right hand side you can see relevant information of references that Zotero gather about the document automatically. Here paper or book, paper or book, title is there, author, DOI, publication details, link of paper or book, everything is available on right hand side. Now here I have created one folder My References 2020. This folder is blank now. So I can add all references of type book, book section, document, journal article, etc. Before that, you will need to install the add-on of Zotero in your browser. I already added Zotero extension to my Chrome web browser. You can see Zotero icon on the top right of the screen. You can now add some references as per requirement. So to add some sample references, I opened Springer website having book link and journal link. To add it on your page, just click on this Zotero icon here. Here content on your page is a book, so it will show book icon. If it is journal page, the icon will be sheet. Now I clicked on icon. You can see in my references to 2020 folder, book reference is added in Zotero. 2 journal articles are added in my reference 2020 folder. It always saved in last folder you opened on Zotero. Lastly, I opened my references 2020 folder in Zotero, so all these references are added in my references 2020 folder. Check this. Also, you can add PDF files of articles in Zotero library. Select it and drag it on your reference of the article in Zotero. Here, if the reference which you have added is having free access of PDF file, then PDF will be automatically downloaded and added to your library. For example, I added this book. This book PDF file is not available freely, so there is no link for PDF file. Or if I try to download the PDF file for this reference, so Zotero will process the PDF is available for this paper, and for this big book PDF file is not available. So it does not show the link of the PDF file in Zotero. Only the link of book will be available. So PDF is not accessible, so no PDF will be available. Again, another tool is Mendeley, which is used for same purpose like Zotero. So here I am opening Mendeley desktop application. You can download it by visiting the Mendeley Reference Manager website. Here you need to create free account. Here download option is there. Click on this desktop version of Windows will start downloading. I already downloaded it, so I directly open it. Here same, you can manage all your references. Again, you need to add web browser extension. Here I already added extension of this Mendeley to my web browser. To add any reference from any URL, just click on that Mendeley icon. You will find out all the document available. So I am trying to add these two references to my Mendeley library in sample document folder. Add it. Now this both references will be available in my sample documents. This is online library of Mendeley. Now you can check both document I recently added through Mendeley extension. See, both the document are added in Mendeley library of my sample document folder. Now here, as per your requirement, you can change the citation style. Here, formatted citation style is IEEE. Now I want to use APA. Then click on View, Citation Style, APA. So citation style is changed. So here also on right hand side you can check all the details of the reference, journal, year, volume, abstract, and all details will be available. So in this way, again when you click on that PDF file, you can add any notes regarding this. If you want to add my reference or something, you want to give some notes on this, you can highlight the text that may be important for your literature review. So in this way you can manage your references in Mendeley as well. So I hope both this tool will be helpful in your research. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates, for more video. Please subscribe. Thank you.